This facial is going to help you to get 10 years younger. Yes, you got me right. Welcome to my channel. For today, we are going to do some love, self-love, you can call it. I absolutely love this because this facial is one of my favorite. I have been trained in Western, European and Indian facial techniques, and in spite of that, the fruit facial is one of my most favorite ones because it can be done in the comfort of our home. After I have seen and faced this question time and again, how can I look younger, doc? How can I bring back the glow in my face? Starting my series on if you want to turn the clock back, a highly customized facial routine using nature, following my mantra, medicine heals with lifestyle changes. So the first step that we will be doing is called the dermaplaning or dermaplaning. For that you need a razor like this, nothing to be scared of. This will help to remove all the peach fuzz from your face. What you're going to do is you're going to divide your face into two quadrants, basically right and left, and we will start with the right side and then go to the left side. I have already done my right side this morning just before I started shooting, so now I'm going to show you the dermaplaning on the left side of my face. You are going to start this on the top of your, remember only downward movements. And dermaplaning aims to make your skin surface smooth, youthful and radiant. The treatment claims to remove deep scarring from acne and peach fuzz, helping the skin to remove the dull texture of the skin. So I think we are done pretty much for the first step. Now we will be going to the next step, which is going to be the cleansing part. For this step, you will need the aloe vera that I prepared. I will be pouring these aloe vera. This is raw milk and lemon. This is an aloe vera leaf that I bought from the market. In case you do not have availability of an aloe vera leaf, you can always buy organic aloe vera gel. I will be listing down below. I'm going to take a knife and cut the aloe vera. I'm going to show you how I'm going to cut this aloe vera. So I have taken out the aloe vera and now I'm going to dice the aloe vera into small pieces and then put it in a bowl and use a blender to blend out the aloe vera. I'll be using my hand sanitizer which I make at home. Again, links below. So you can watch that video by which I make the hand sanitizer. And what I will be doing is I am using some cucumber juice which I already made. So all the peach fuzz that I made, so I can remove them. I removed all of the peach fuzz and every bit of makeup. You will be amazed how much peach fuzz and dermaplaning can remove. I'm done with this process. Now I'm going to go to the cleansing. For the cleansing, I had told you guys about the raw milk. Make sure it's not a heated milk by any means. And I'm going to take a cotton pad. I will take actually 2 cotton pads and soak it very well in the cotton, in the milk. And then I will be dabbing this milk and doing the cleansing part. This is the part 1 of the cleansing. Make sure under the eyes and behind the ears you're not missing any area during this cleansing process, because this is one of the most important things, because unless and until your skin is completely cleansed, you will not be able to see the benefits of the fruit facial. Take half of the lemon and squeeze all the lemon juice into a clean bowl. Following this, you are going to remove any seeds from the lemon and add the aloe vera to the lemon juice and mix the two together. Following this, you are going to have gentle stroke downward from the top of the neck to the bottom of the neck in pumping action for cleansing. Please make sure you are starting the strokes neck down to remove all toxins from the lymphatic channels, followed by upward strokes lifting and firming the jawline, and to tighten the eye area by using strokes which I will be discussing later. For the next step, we will need rice and a kiwi. So I'm going to take the kiwi and cut the kiwi into 2 halves. What you're going to need is this portion of the kiwi which has the seeds. For the exfoliation, you will need to take out all the kiwi seeds and also add the rice powder to the kiwi seeds. Kiwi fruit is an extremely effective facial cleanser. Kiwi fruit's vitamin C content is outstanding in cleansing away dirt and impurities from the skin. The same vitamin C content will also leave your face glowing and can lighten your skin tone as well. Rice also contains sun protecting agents and it's a very potent anti-inflammatory agent. It soothes sunburns and prevents the skin from suntan. It has ferulic acid and allantoin, which also helps as natural sunscreen. Gently press the palm of your hand and do circular movements outward around the cheek area. After this, you are going to follow the same outward and upward lifting movement so that you are tightening the whole chin and the jaw area by lifting and making it smoother and skin toned. Now you are going to reach the shoulder and use firm strokes upwards to lift the shoulder and the area of the skin. Make sure you repeat this at least 3 times. You can also use some scrubbing movements to go and upward lift the area. Make sure the small seeds are used around the nose so that all the blackheads can be removed in a very efficient and unique manner. After this, you are going to use upward strokes towards the temple area. So removing, this is called the Caesar movement, by which you are removing blackheads around under the lips. This is followed by upward motion and movement throughout this process. The next step is cleansing. I have a professional apparatus. However, if you do not have one, that will be fine. I will be showing a picture later on of a home apparatus as well. What does cleansing do? So steam opens up the pores and helps loosen any buildup of dirt for a deeper cleanse. It promotes circulation. It releases acne-causing bacteria and cells. It also releases trapped sebum. It's hydrating. It also helps your skin better absorb skincare products, promotes collagen and elastin growth. As you can see, it is also a very relaxing and soothing procedure. This is the picture of the home apparatus you can use. I will need a banana, a little bit of honey. So I'll be taking half of the banana only. So this is the amount of banana I need. Remember, do not throw away the peel of the banana because we will be using this as a lip scrub later. And you are going to slice the banana. I'm also going to cut half of the lemon. We are going to use the bananas that we had cut before, and we are going to add the leftover of the aloe vera gel that we had made. Now what does banana do? Banana has loads of nutrients including vitamin A, zinc, manganese, which are anti-inflammatory. Rubbing the banana is very important for the skin, and you're going to follow the same massage technique that I had told you in the cleansing video. In case you do not remember, I am going to outline below the steps and the procedures. You are going to follow the same steps so that you can have a lifted look. The massage should continue for at least 10 to 15 minutes if possible. Next step, I'll need papaya, ripe, and a potato. Final step to your glow is the papaya mask. As you know, papaya has papain. What papain does is it has enzymes that can diminish scars and blemishes and gives you a glow. Leave this mask for at least 15 to 20 minutes and make sure before you remove the mask, you can just do a little circular movements while removing. You can also do the same mask for your hands as well. So I'm going to take the potato. My goal is to cut the potato as thinly sliced as possible. You can see very thinly sliced. Refrigerated potato is a fantastic natural remedy to get rid of under eye puffiness. The enzymes has astringent properties to reduce inflammation and helps tighten the skin around the eyes. This remedy will get rid of wrinkles also. I'm going to end the facial right here. So this is the absolutely finale step. What I have done is I have taken 2 of the vitamin E capsules. They look something like this. I have cut it up in my hand and I'm going to finish my facial right here. And I also have my green juice made with kale and spinach, apples and whatnot. And I can link down below how I made this smoothie. And I love this smoothie because it helps depuffing everything. Cheers. Have a great weekend, guys.